Welcome back. It feels like it's been quite a while. I did get ahead on videos, so that's why it feels long to me. But it's only been a week for you guys, so hopefully I can do a slightly more interesting video this week. Yeah, my camera video last week. It is what it is. I think some people like pictures of Frank more, but you're gonna have to live with it. There's always bits I've got to do that aren't everyone's to taste. So yeah, I did a vote during the week. Everyone said, let's get this out, do a bit of hooning around. Obviously, can't do it on public highways, can we? So it's not America. Seems like in American videos, when they do their cars, they just drive down the street, don't they? I don't. Nice world, I guess. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But it's a morning now. We've got a few hours before. We've got to take taxi runs, take people to work, etc. So we do a few little odd jobs. And yeah, and then in the afternoon when it quietens down for where we go for test driving, we go for a bit of a hoon and see what we can do. Shame it's not raining, because it'd be nice to try and think donuts would be a bit easier when it's a bit damp. But anyway, I might try and attack the rear tail light, cut some holes in the vents to get the ducting working, because there's a couple of little holes that I hadn't done. And just go from there. We've got maybe have a look at the dash area as well, because we picked up some bits for the dash, even though I had them originally on the original car, the Subaru, threw them away, then have to rebuy it. If you ever do any of these projects, if you've got space, keep the old car right to the last minute. There's always something you need off it, screw things, whatever. Anyway, last thing is pizzas for tea. Got a load of selection ones from Sainsbury's. And yeah, going to watch Ghostbusters Afterlife, because I quite like Ghostbusters. And during the week, loads of parts arrive for the Jeep as well, but we won't talk about that just yet. I'm waiting until we get enough parts to actually do something useful with it. Have been cutting some bits of metal actually during the week. If you're a patron, you know about that. Alright, come on, let's do something. Okay, so we've got two jobs at the back here. We've got the vents that go into the top of the radiator box. I screwed the adapters on, but I didn't actually cut any holes for the vents, so we need to take those off, get the hammer, and we'll actually make some holes. And we need to try and figure this out, see what's going wrong here. If you look back at the original videos when I made this tailgate, I was making it even before I had a car, just making it in the back of a farm shed, just hacking bits of metal away and looking at pictures online. So I wasn't being very accurate. Not that I'm very accurate with lots of stuff, but I was even less accurate with this. So we need to try and tweak it out. It definitely needs to either kick in or kick out at their side there. So let's just get the angle grinder on that first, I think, and see what we can weld back up. Okay, we've done some slicing and dicing. It's getting there. May not be 100% perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was. So we managed to slice this indicator bowl out and pull it out a bit, and we're going to just tweak the edge of that so obviously I can see that edge comes flat as well, flicks out. But yeah, it will do, won't it? It's a rally car, nobody will see it in the back of a hedge, will they? And postman did stop by. Yes, it's not for Frank, it's for Jurassic Park, so if anybody recognises that. Incorrect screen sticker, I do apologise. But yeah, Ramsey winch. Fairly something, yeah, I don't know anything about towing and winches and stuff, but I know I needed that. Alright, let's get the welder. Alright, we've moved away from my rear end. It was annoying me, but we're getting there. But yeah, for one reason or another, we're not going back there. So you saw I put two new bolts into the exhaust system, so that's that clamped up nicely. I thought I'd just come back and come to the dash. The things that I bought that I'd already thrown away were the steering column cover cowl. So I picked up another one off eBay and yeah, fitted it because I was thinking, well, one, it tidies up all the wires and everything like that, so it keeps that all happy if I do any sort of IVA. But then I thought, oh, maybe I could mount the dash to it. But now the dash is, well, that angle's okay, but if I take my head up to there, not quite so okay. So I think the only position left we've got is just to drop it down a little bit behind the dash there, like that, and bind that, and mount it to the aluminium dash itself. So that's not working too well as well. I'm just trying to think about that as well. So I'm looking forward to trying to take this for a Hoon later, just to dust off some ideas. Okay, I've used my genius, as Jeremy Clarkson would say, and basically trying to work out different options, and I've decided to cut a great big hole in the dash, which easily allows plugs to go through. But what I'll do is I'll create another panel now that the dash mounts to, and then that bolts to the dash, so it allows me to sort of change the angle if I ever need to, get into the wiring and stuff like that, because yeah, the back of the mountain's quite tricky to get to, sort of thing. But so if we make a panel that fits onto, then we can mount that lower into the dash as well, then, into sort of recess it into the dash. Well, anyway, let's drill some holes. Alright, lunch is gone. Cheesy nachos. Thank you, dear. She's gone to work. I've got to take the dash out now to cut this hole. I'm still hoping to go for a bit of a Hoon around, but I just popped up where I do a little bit of testing, and there's a big building alarm going off. So it's like, but we'll still go up there anyway, because I promised it just might not be as much as I said I was dreaming in my head. So anyway, let's get the dash off and cut a hole, and then we can work out what we're doing next. Alright, dash back in, first attempt. Not looking too bad. You know, I think it could be tweaked. I've only just PK'd it in for now, just to prove a point. MG logo, look at that. So yeah, what it does is it gives us the flexibility to change that bracket and put a different one on and move it around, change it. Because obviously, yeah, made a little bit of a gap at the top here. But again, yeah. Immobiliser. Alright, I promised we'd do a little bit of driving, so I can hear the alarm still going off, but let's go do something. say yeah a lot. I do apologise, but it's the way it is. So, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for following me. Hopefully this video is a little bit more entertaining. We will get it out in a bigger space at some point. If you do want to support me in any way, hitting the like button is the main one. If you could just hit the like button, that's great. If you don't subscribe already, subscribe. And if you want to help me in any other way, check out the description. Different ways to do that. Check out my close suppliers down below. Check out their websites if you want. And yeah, here comes someone. Let's get out of here.